Hi kids! Welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn about shapes. These all are 2D shapes. This is square. This is diamond. This is triangle. This is heart. This is star. And this is circle. So we are going to draw the shapes and we will do the coloring also. So before starting we are going to learn some colors. This is blue color. This is purple color. This is green color. This is orange color. This is black color. This is brown color. And this is sky blue color. So let's get started. This is square shape. This is diamond shape. This is triangle. This is heart. This is star. And this is circle. So let's start the coloring. So we are going to start with purple color. Purple color in square. See the next shape. Yes, this is diamond. In diamond we are using green color. See the next shape. Yes, this is triangle. In triangle we are using brown color. See the next shape. Yes, this is heart. In heart we are using orange color. See the next shape. Yes, this is star. In star, we are using sky blue color. Very good. See the next shape. Yes, this is circle. In circle, we are using blue color. Very good. So we have done all these shapes. Let's repeat it again. This is square. This is diamond. This is triangle. This is heart. This is star. And this is circle. Very good. This is purple color. This is green color. This is brown color. This is orange color. This is sky blue color and this is blue color. Very good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye bye.